place here is so cozy. I don't want to leave. The days are beautiful, sunny, autumn and full foliage. Vacation from traveling. Oh, I'm gonna miss these doggos. This is a school. Hey, yes, goodbye. And here we have the two others. There, the white one is Burumi. Hey, you! And the black one is Babu. Oh, I love them. Na, goodbye. Unfortunately, Burumi and Karakol don't get along so well with each other. With the others, it's fine, but not with Burumi. Oh, they are all so adorable. Our last morning in this beautiful place. Salam alaikum. And this is the beautiful hut where we were having always communal dinner. Hello, Khosho.
Welcome.
How are you?
Very good. You like breakfast now?
Maybe later.
Maybe
Yeah.
later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shukriya.
Thank you.
Khosho is.
Beginning today?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm very sad.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.